guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and today I'm going to share with you the new release for September 2022 from Spellbinders. First off, I've got everything. I hopefully have everything organized so I can zip through this for you guys because I do have a lot of stuff to share. Starting off with kind of a new thing. They have a new collection from Kathy Holden, and I went ahead and got a couple of items from that new collection to try out and play with. Starting off with this. This is some deep etch dies to create a little bowl. And I have never used anything like this, but I thought that would be kind of nice to have on my desk kind of as a catch-all. Now it does show how you can... this is going to be a little bit of a complicated stitching. This almost looks like crochet, so I am going to have to be thinking a bit before I actually attempt this one. But we do have the bowl. I'm sure that we can assemble it without having it look quite so pretty, but yeah, I want to try to make it look that pretty. Anyhow, so we've got that die. Then we've got a paper pack. Let me go ahead and pull this out. And if I'm not mistaken, this is something that I saw at Creativation, because they did have the new Kathy Holden things out there. They did have them on display, and I got to kind of look at some of these. Oh yes, these are absolutely lovely. To me, it looks like the pages were taken from a painting and kind of not necessarily cropped down, because these are some substantial size pages. These pages are 6 by 9, so they're 9 inches, so you can make a 5 by 7 card out of each of these. But that is just too pretty. Yes, it does look to me, this is just my opinion, that it's probably taken from some vintage, possibly cards. These may have been some vintage cards that were blown up. I'm not 100% sure, but these are some lovely, lovely images. And they've all got that vintage vibe. Anyway, that is kind of cool. The joys that feed the merry heart, the mirth of Christmas cheer, be yours for many a Christmas day and many a bright new year. That is pretty. And again, a lot of these can be just used straight as... That looks like it came from the front of a Christmas card. And then we've come back to the same image that we started off with. So there are 12 designs, 24 sheets, so you get 2 of each. So that is really pretty. And then we've got some ephemera pieces that have got that vintage vibe as well. Let me just pull out a few of those so they kind of go along with what you already had there. And I think these are lovely as well. And I'm not real big on... I do like vintage occasionally, and Christmas is, of course, some of the times that I think of it the most. These remind me a lot of the Christmas cards and stuff that we got when we were... Maybe not when we were kids, but maybe some of the ones that our moms would have held on to. So these are really, really pretty. Okay, so that is the first collection. And again, this is something that Spellbinders just added onto their offerings with different there's basically flea market finds from Kathy Holden. Okay, so that is the first part. Next, we have the Christmas Flourish collection. And first thing I'm going to show you is the Holly Flourish embossing folder. I mean, this is lovely. It's got all the flourishes and the little holly leaves in there. And I think this is going to make for a great background. I'm kind of envisioning it with like gold over the top, so maybe using some of Tim Holt's the new waxes, trying some of those out. Then we've got, this one is called Flourished Ornaments Slimline. So we've got a slimline, basically a slimline border. We've got, you know how I love fluted frames. Well, this has got a slanted frame die to add that detailing. And if you don't want to use that, it's also got an inside frame. So you've basically got the frame, you've got the decorative piece that you can use with or without it, and then you've got 4 ornament designs in here and all the bits that go along with those. Then we have Sugarplum tweets. Got 3 sentiments that cut out, and we've got a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. So it's really, we wish you a Happy New Year, or we wish you a Merry Christmas. So that is pretty cute. We've got this pretty Flourish piece, and then we've got a couple of little birds, which I thought that was super cute, including their little hat. That is going to be darling. I won't really know how much I'm really going to like it until, of course, I cut everything out. Then the final one that I have, this is too cute. This is Let It Snow A2 Cardfront. So we've got this base piece that is the size of your A2 card. And then we have a cute little snowman to add in the middle and different bits to decorate that as well. That is going to be it's going to be snow sweet. So that is the Christmas Flourish collection. Now, with all of the collections, there are additional bits that I did not get, but these are the ones I'm going to be playing with this month. Then we have the Winter Tales. So I've got 2 die sets from that. One is Magical Deer, which is kind of a Nordic design deer for Christmas. I think that is pretty. And then some Nordic ornaments. And I'm thinking these would be great to make as actual ornaments. Just double up on your cardstock and you should be good to go. That's going to be fun. And then the one that okay, this is the one that really got me. And it is from the Holiday Cheer collection. And we've got this set. This is so stinking cute. We've got a little frame, like a picture frame, and then a piece to cut out on the inside so you can double it up and kind of have things pop out. We've got 2 little faces. Then we've got this piece that makes, let me zoom in a bit for that. So this piece makes doggy ears or kitty ears and antlers. So you can make this into a little dog or a little cat. You can put antlers on them if you want to or not. It is going to be so stinking cute. So we've got a couple of different sentiments. We've got hello and for you. So this is going to be kind of like Christmas present, where I don't know if it's just me, but I think everybody that I grew up with at some point in their life got a pet for Christmas. And I remember Santa Claus coming and delivering my puppy when I was probably like, I don't know, 7 years old. So we've got that one, which is the special pet delivery. Then we've got, okay, so we've got It's Not For You. And then we've got It's Not a Puppy, a Pony, or a Kitty. I think that is so funny, and I will definitely be using those on some cards. And then finally, we have a sentiment that goes along with this, basically all those animals. These are the Santa Paws sentiments. We've got Do Not Open Until December 25th. Dear Santa, define good. Sending cozy Christmas wishes. Magic is in the air. A little gift for you. Full of Christmas cheer. Spoil alert, it's Cole. No peeking. You'll never guess. Holly jolly. Another Christmas. Another box of socks. Merry Christmas, Santa Paws is coming to town, and then a couple of odd looking pieces. Now, these guys, these ones that are slanted, you may remember a few months back we had that little pop-up box die. These are perfect for that. So you could have those on there and then say something like, it's not, it's not a puppy. So that would be super cute. So those are the fun stamps and dies and papers that I've got from the new Spellbinders new release for September 2022. Check out the playlist over here to see some projects where I'm using these and other products from Spellbinders, and y'all have a wonderful day. Remember, if I can make it, you can too. Talk to you soon.